皆さんこんにちは。Hi guys, I'm Haruka, who is making your Japanese learning easy. Today we are learning Japanese with one of the best Japanese anime, Attack on Titan. I'm no anime otaku, but I recently watched the whole release series in 2 weeks. And let me tell you, I am obsessed with it. If you've already watched it, you can review it with me. Or if you haven't, don't worry, no spoilers, because I picked up the scene from the first episode of the season 1. So actually, you can start watching it with this video. Firstly, we will watch a clip with Japanese subtitle, and secondly, we will learn new vocabulary and grammar points with the clip. Now we will look at the clip, which is full of fantastic vocabulary. Let's jump in.
Are, Mikasa.
そろそろ帰ろう。
なんでここに。
そんなに寝ぼけるまで熟睡してたの？
いや、なんかすっげえ長い夢を見てた気がするんだけど、なんだったっけ、思い出せねえな。あれ、ミカサ。
Are here is an interjection. It is used to show that you're surprised, moved, or doubt something.
そろそろ帰ろう。
Another verb, そろそろ is used to say that the time or the status is getting to be, or about to happen. Here, Mikasa is saying that it is time to go home, since kaero is a casual volitional form, which can be translated to let's go home.
なんでここに。
Another verb, なんで is used when you would like to know the reason why. It is a conversational form of why. ここ is the point where the speaker is, and Eren used the particle に after ここ, so the sentence continues as いるの, which is an existence verb. He's saying, why I'm here.
そんなに寝ぼけるまで熟睡してたの？
そんなに is used to put emphasis on the word right after it, from the point of degree, measure, level, how things are, how big, how deep, etc. We can translate it as that. For example, it was that expensive will be そんなに高いの? It was that big will be そんなに大きいの? Japanese word order is the opposite to English. Let's break the phrase down backwards. If you 熟睡する, that means that you sleep soundly. Mikasa is describing how soundly Eren slept by adding 寝ぼけるまで. Only そんなに could put emphasis on the sleeping soundly, but she added more detail, 寝ぼけるまで. An adverbial particle まで is used to describe the end point of the action, time, etc. If you 寝ぼける, that means that you're half asleep. Since Eren is half asleep and his brain does not work properly, she is thinking what Eren said is not understandable. In the phrase, she is saying that Eren slept that soundly.
いや、なんか。
いや is a casual way to say no. When we say いや, that means what someone said was wrong. So いや implies that it's not that. Be careful, I didn't say いや means, I said it implies. In daily conversation, is more common use as casual no. なんか is a casual way to say something. It is also used to say like. Like a lot of native English speakers say like at the beginning of the sentence. Erin says no, something like
すっげー長い夢を見てた気がするんだけど。
すっげー is a rough way of すごい. Mostly it is used by men, but I sometimes use it in daily conversation, not as a tutor. I don't use those words unless a student asks me. すっげー can be translated freaking in English. It is putting an emphasis on the words following, which is 長い夢, long dream. 気がする means to feel like. For example, 危ない means dangerous. If you say 危ない気がする, you cannot explain why you feel it, but your sixth sense is telling you that it is dangerous. Eren is not sure what has happened to him, but he feels like he was having a very long dream.
なんだったっけ?
なんだったっけ is often used when we try to remember something from the past. You can use it when you are struggling to recall something. Eren says, What was it again?
思い出せねえな。
思い出せねえ is a rough way of the negative potential form of the verb 思い出す, which means to remember something or to recall something. Eren talks manly. Na at the end of the phrase is also a manly way to talk. Moreover, it sounds like he is muttering. Eren says, I can't remember.